Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Segway Ninebot Air T15. Here are its features. Ninebot KickScooter Air T15. Ninebot is the most compact, lightweight, and energy-efficient electric kick-scooter ever introduced to navigate in a city environment. The design is a perfect fit for the urban lifestyle and is best for completing your last-mile commute, carrying on mass transportation and storing in cars. The unique, sleek and futuristic appearance of the Air T15 makes it one of a kind from other scooters in the market. Fold in half with 8.7 inches height. Unlike many other folding kick scooters available in the market, Air T15 folds in half just like a paper. Once folded, Air T15 is only 8.7 inches in height. The folded body size is flat and compact, which can be easily stored whether it's on the subway or in your car trunk. Two types of scooter stands. You can stand your scooters either vertically or horizontally. The stands that come with the product packaging can be used as a kick scooter stand for storage and ease of charging. Both stands included are made with expanded polypropylene (EP) materials that are recyclable. Ergonomically designed for your comfort. We believe in using premium materials and delivering a superior product. The body of the Air T15 is made with aluminum-magnesium alloy to bring a lighter yet stronger and more reliable performance. This also ensures that the body of the vehicle is splash-proof and corrosion-resistant. Smart app connectivity. The Segway Ninebot app is available on iOS and Android integration with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to customize LED ambient light colors, view live riding stats dashboard, and more. Bezel-less dashboard. The bezel-less dashboard of Air T15 is embedded with LED Nixie tubes and provides you the convenience to monitor the speed, battery life, riding modes, Bluetooth connection, cruise control status, and error messages of the scooter all in one click. 1-sec folding mechanism with retractable handlebars. The Air T15 can be folded in half with just one click. When the kick scooter is folded, the handlebar will self-retract, leaving you with a hassle-free user experience like no other. 4 riding modes. The 4 riding modes allow riders to switch easily based on riding occasions. Such modes include pedestrian mode, energy-saving mode, standard mode and sport mode with a preset speed limit of 3.7 miles per hour, 6 kilometers per hour, 6.2 miles per hour, 10 kilometers per hour, 9.3 miles per hour, 15 kilometers per hour, and 12.4 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour, respectively. Innovative regenerative braking system. The innovative regenerative brake system turns your e-scooter into an electric vehicle powered by electricity and recycled energy from riding. the wheels are able to transform the energy that is captured during braking into power and to store it in the integrated lithium battery pack. Warranty. Air T15 is the most compact and lightweight e-scooter ever introduced to navigate in a city environment. 1 year or 180-day warranty for different parts. Please refer to warranty in product details below and contact us if you have any problems. Specifications. Brand: Segway. Color: white. IP rating: IPX4. Item weight: 23.2 pounds. Handle height: 40 inches. Handlebar type: foldable. Frame material: aluminum. Tires: tread pattern: twill initiation free, tilled with foaming poo. Number of wheels: 2. Wheel material: aluminum. Wheel type: rubber tires. Suspension type: tire suspension. Payload: 66.1 to 220.5 pounds. 30 kilograms to 100 kilograms. Max speed approximately 12.4 miles per hour, 20 kilometers per hour. Battery management system: overheating, short circuit, overcurrent and overcharge protection. Number of batteries: 1. Brake light. LED rear light. Motor: nominal power 300 W. Output power 71 W. Input voltage 100 to 240 VAC. Charger: output voltage 42 VDC. Output current 1.7 A. Duration of charging: approximately 4 H.